Introduction. The Securities and Exchange Board of India on September 2nd, 2015 issued SEBI listing and disclosure requirement regulations 2015 on listing of different segments of the capital market and disclosure norms of a relation thereto. The regulation became effective from December 1st, 2015. This regulation has been structured into a single document with the aim to consolidate and aim to streamline the provision of existing listing arrangement for different segments of capital markets such as equity shares, non-convertible debt securities, non-convertible, convertible, and for ensuring better enforceability, etc. That leaves a set of the norms, provisions, broad and the principles for periodic disclosure for listing entity, apart from the incorporating corporate governance principle. The applicability these regulations apply to listing entity which are listed following designated securities on the security stock exchange. A specific security listed on the main board of SME stocks and innovative growth platforms, non-convertible debt securities, Indian depository receipt security, securitized debt instruments, security receipt unit issued by mutual funds, any other securities as may be specified by the board. The provision of this regulation, which becomes applicable to listing entities on the basis of the market capitalization criteria, shall continue to apply to such entities even if they fall below such thresholds. The provision of the regulations which become applicable to listed entities on the basis of the criterion of value outstanding listing debt security shall continue to apply to such entities even if they fall below the threshold as mentioned on sub-regulation 1A of regulations 15.